Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer using Web3Auth login for wallets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring using Web3Auth login for wallets, ensure you have a compatible wallet set up. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Web3Auth website. Click on the login button to initiate the authentication process. Choose your preferred method of logging in, such as social login or email. Follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, access your wallet dashboard. Locate the option for transferring assets or tokens. Choose the asset you wish to transfer from your wallet. Enter the recipient's wallet address accurately. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Review any transaction fees associated with the transfer. Confirm the details before proceeding with the transaction. Click the Transfer or Send button to initiate the transfer. You may be prompted to verify the transaction through a confirmation code sent to your email or mobile. Enter the verification code if required. Wait for the transaction to be processed. This might take a few moments. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification of a successful transfer. Check your transaction history to ensure the transfer reflects accurately. This completes your transfer using Web3Auth login for wallets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.